Great job, Evie and Lucia. Again, that veggies and rice stir fry looked so good. I know I make it quite often in my own home. We really like it as well. And I hope that you are able to go home with that recipe page and make it with your family too. I'm sure they will really like it. So that wraps up our last 8-week lesson for Cooking Matters for Kids. I know I've had fun. I'm looking forward to actually being in school with you, and so we can actually make some of these recipes together. So until then, everyone stay safe and healthy, and remember, cooking matters for kids. Bye!